Welcome to Ifa Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The Path of the False Invitation. Story: Òrúnmìlà arrived in a town where the people saw through the eyes of their king. But it happened that Òrúnmìlà began to win over the people with his good actions and works, to the extent that Òrúnmìlà gained an enormous reputation. This situation greatly displeased the king. Then the king began looking for a way to eliminate him physically, but he realized that the people admired Òrúnmìlà deeply and thought it would be better to demoralize him instead. At the same time, the king was plotting against Òrúnmìlà. He, Òrúnmìlà, was consulting Ifa and received the sign Ogunda and the Igbo sacrifice, prescribed included a horse, a saddle, male and female dolls, 2 roosters, 2 doves, and all the other ingredients. Òrúnmìlà performed the Igbo and waited, because his Ifa had told him they would come to visit him again. While Òrúnmìlà was doing the Igbo, the king ordered his men to hunt down the wildest horse from the plains. This order was quickly fulfilled, and the king's soldiers brought him the horse. The king had the horse hunted because Òrúnmìlà lived on the outskirts of the town. Then he sent an invitation to Òrúnmìlà to honor him for what he had done for the people, and Òrúnmìlà accepted the invitation. The king sent him the horse to come to the palace. The king waited on the palace rooftop, arms crossed, expecting to witness Òrúnmìlà fall to the ground and thus destroy him morally. At that moment, the king was shocked to see Òrúnmìlà arriving with the horse. Then the king said, "I cannot defeat this man. I must make a pact with him because he has won the people's favor." When Òrúnmìlà arrived, he was joyfully received. Upon appearing before the king asked him, "How is it possible that you've walked such a long distance?" And Òrúnmìlà replied, "Well, my Ifa forbade me from writing anything." Then the king said, "In this town, the 2 of us can live together, you with religion and I with justice." And Òrúnmìlà said, "Tu iban isu."